So hi, welcome to my video, and today I'm going to be comparing the Pulsar X-Lite V2 Mini against the standard version, the V1 and the V2. The large V1 is white and the V2 is red. I'm going to show you all the measurements here to give you an idea on the hand size you could use with it, give you an idea of the differences here as well. So let's get into it. So Pulsar V2 Mini, we have got the standard version, so we will we will measure them as well with the caliper to see the differences. See what the Mini is like. Alright. Get a adapter and the little plunger thing. You also get X-Lite Mini V2 if you're not sure which one it is. That's how you define the differences, I suppose. And we've got a standard Pulsar USB-C cable, pretty stock. The noticeable difference is the scroll wheel is a bit like the G Pro Superlight, where it's got a white and a black. It's got flatter sides, so they took out some of the lines, which I probably would have kept them, but okay, on this side. So compare this to the standard V2. You can see they're very similar. Looks slightly shorter. Looks like the same PCB. You can see, look, like this, the length of it always looks very similar. Even looks almost identical. A few little changes. This one's got a label, this one doesn't. So move the label position a bit. The battery's further back, isn't it? Kind of annoys me, but I guess they do it for weight balance. Similar escape configuration. Same buttons. Even look the same size, I think. I thought the hump looked different, but maybe not. So they've rounded these slightly more. Made the font a little bit more bold on the on-off. Other than that, looks similar. We've got V2, a V1, and the Mini. So compare it against the V2 as well. The V2 actually got the smoother sides. I didn't realise, forgot about that. So it's similar to the V2, it's just a smaller V2 then, isn't it? I kind of like the sides being a bit more perforated, but you can see size 1 and size 2 in these corners. Other than that, it looks pretty much, it looks identical to the V2, just a small scaled version. Down with the difference you can tell, it's got a white bit on the scroll wheel. About 116, 117 maybe. What's that, about 6mm longer? What's that, 5766? 3mm maybe? So on average it's around 3mm smaller, isn't it, I would say. Same size scroll wheel, which is pretty nice. I do like the scroll wheel. These skates look the same. Yeah. I reckon they're going to be the same. Yeah. Give or take a fraction, maybe a little bit bigger. 17.6 on it. Come on, Cam. Close, but slightly smaller. Has it got a bit of pre-travel? Do my quick thoughts on it. So in my opinion, I mean, that's got quite a bit of pre-travel again, which the other ones both have. That one's a little bit above the LAX, which is, I mean, the bearable, but what it sounds like. Clicks feel a little bit mushy. A little bit mushy. Are they KOs? Not the KL8s. We've also got one, the one that I gave boards of the scroll wheel of, the original V1 wired one. This has got ROMs in it. Oh my god, I can tell straight away. Getting quite a Pulsar V2 collection, aren't we? X-Lite collection, I guess. Oh my god, yeah. Good job they went to KL8s. Good move.